Hello friends, right now I am at Bogle in one of the good place. He is selling Afghani carpets, all handmade carpets he is selling here. So we are right now here, me and my friend Karimi. So we are going to show you all kind of Afghani carpets, kilams, milky kilams, all kind of carpets. Everything is done by hand in Afghanistan. So we are here in his showroom at Bogle, Church Road, Bogle. So this is his shop here inside, you can see. And Mr. Karimi also with me. Yeah. We are all together, both together here, and we are going.
Hello guys, welcome with me.
We are going to show today about Afghani carpets. You know how people are making and
Afghani culture
yeah,
also.
this all Afghani culture. Yes. So today we are going to show you all Afghani carpets, handmade rugs, all handmade rugs. Now we are washing our hands. You can see they are serving us.
Look, October, color of the tree. I was making fishing, yeah. Yeah, in Kargil.
Putting up the Sarkhan. So we'll have now lunch here. Mr. Nazir also here together. My cousin. Yeah, we'll have now lunch. Mama. We are not right now at his carpet showroom, Afghani carpet showroom. You can see how many dishes they have put in for us, and Mr. Karimi also here. You can see the interior of the showroom. It's so beautiful inside. All kind of varieties here from Afghanistan. We are having now lunch. It's maybe about 10 to 12 types of food they are serving us. You know, they are very good people and very humble, and also very good mehman nawaz.
इंडिया में चाइना के बगैर माल का नहीं रह सकता है। सवाल ही नहीं। हाँ?
नहीं बना, मोदी बोल रहे हैं काम कराएंगे लेकिन नहीं कर सकता है।
These are the Afghani carpets right now showing us.
माल उधर लाता ना वो माल ठीक है, अच्छा है माल, मगर वहाँ का वो प्राइस नहीं मिलेगा। ये मैं उधर लाऊंगा कोई नहीं खरीदेगा।
हम वो चीज आता है
Okay, right now we are in a female shop, Afghan female shop in Delhi. Yeah.
He will explain everything about the carpets, how they came from Afghanistan to Delhi, and how they established their product in Delhi. So he's the guy. His name is Sameer. So he will explain everything about the carpets. Right now we are at one of the famous Afghani shop in Bogle in New Delhi. So here is Mr. Sameer, who know everything about these carpets, how he came from Afghanistan to Delhi, how he established his business in Delhi. And he's the guy, his name is Sameer. So he will explain everything about the carpets. He bring it from the Afghanistan. So he can explain better than me. So he's the guy, he will start now to explain about
Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So myself Sameer Khan, I belong to Afghanistan and we migrated like 24 years back and we are now settled in Delhi. So we are running an Afghan carpet business in Delhi for our livelihood, and then here you can see the Afghan ambience created by me and my team, so that you can feel Afghan ambience, Afghan flooring, Afghan carpets, Afghan culture here in my store. So now I'm going to brief you about the different kinds of weave, what we do, what we serve in our store. And if you can go a little bit behind Mr. Karimi so that I can show you the weave. So firstly I'm going to start with the kilam called as Maliki. So this weave style is flatted weaving and it is woven in Herat, northern province of Afghanistan. So this is what it is. So you can see the entire knotting. So this is called Tree of Life. The design is Tree of Life. Every single motif here you can see got a meaning. So this specifically comes from the northern province of Afghanistan. We have different type of kilim weaving. One is Turkish weaving, in which you can see there are multiple gaps are there. So this is that weave is different compared to the Maliki kilim, which is woven in Afghanistan. So this comes like this. The entire design is there. So they weave in such a pattern so that there is no gap. Specifically in India, our customers prefer kilim. Why? Because it's firstly easy to handle anywhere. Secondly, the best part of kilim is like people in India have the perception that it is warmer, carpets are warmer, so they prefer kilim, that okay fine, we can use it 12 months a year, and then designs are very good, designs are very intricate firstly. Secondly, they are more colorful compared to different carpets. Now I'm going to brief you about the knotted carpets. So this is called as Khoja Rashna. So in this you can see we have loom, warp and weft. So here we make a one single knot and then we cut it. So entire carpet, you can see the detail from backside once it starts weaving. But afterwards it got trim, wash, and then the entire preparation. Then you will get the final design like this. This is one of the very richest design of Afghanistan, where you can find this design anywhere in our embassies, anywhere in our diplomatic circle, because this design is very popular in Afghanistan and all around the world. So how taste textures, how people taste differs, how time changes. We in Afghan carpets also we modify things. So I'm gonna show you one modification in Afghan carpets. So this is called as Afghan Chobi carpet. Firstly, the design which I'm showing you is Peziriak, a 2,200-year-old design found in Siberian glacier. The second part is that this rustic texture comes from only one kind of sheep wool, which is Ghazni Chobi. So this sheep wool is procured from Ghazni. Secondly, once it starts dye, you can see multiple texture, different texture, and this antique texture, what European people like, I will serve you. So from this is the design called as Peziriak design, 2,200-year-old carpet design found in Siberian glacier. So from that side, if viewers can see, it's one texture, darker in texture. From other side, it's lighter. So from this side, it's darker. Other side is lighter.
Wow, amazing.
So you can see, brother, here multiple textures after the dye. So this is not something man created, it's all natural. Once it dye, it gets this texture only. And this wool is specifically, as I said earlier also, it comes from Ghazni Chobi wool. Then I'm going to brief you about the mix of these two. One is flatted, which is kilam, one is knitted pile, which is carpet. So between these two weaving style, we have Nakhunak. This also comes from Herat, northern province of Afghanistan, where you can see two weaving style. One is this kilim. Come, brother. You can feel this. So this is kilim, and then here it's carpet. So it's little bit, you can see in 3D look. People like it just because of the light color. People all over around the world like it in, just because of the light colors. And where you can see these designs, they are all the motives behind this entire design. And still people are making the same design. Why? Because it is inherited. From their generation to generation, they are weaving such kind of kilim, and it's all being woven in Herat, northern province of Afghanistan.
And it's all done by hand.
All done by
And
hand.
how they weave? It's wooden sticks or it's a loom? What kind of?
So I'm gonna give you an example of loom, Afghan loom. So here it is, a demo of Afghan loom. So this is warp and weft. Yeah, warp and weft. So we have these kinds of tools to make carpets. where this is done. Once the knot is being done,
and then
they
they
cut.
cut it.
They cut it via this. Okay.
And so every knot is single.
Every knot is single knot. It's not double knot. Second is this. So once the entire thing is done, then they put a whiff. After
We
whiff,
comb
they
it.
comb. We comb it. We comb it like this so
It
that
became tight.
tight. Yeah. How much the comb is there, the carpet is tighter and crisper. So from back side, once you carpet is being designed or start weaving, you will see only the back design. Front is all shaggy. This we trimmed it, but in realistic carpet, it's all shaggy. So after from here and here we cut it, we take it for trimming, we take it for washing. After washing and trimming, such kind of product you see.
What kind of colors you are using in the carpet?
So in colors matter, whatever in red color you are seeing, it's all
It's all chemical colors
No,
or
no, no, no,
or
natural.
natural colors?
So in red color, if you're seeing, it comes from pomegranate peel,
Okay. So they are vegetable dye
They are
and
vegetable dye.
also fruit dye.
fruit dye. And the best part in blue color, if you're seeing, the entire world natural blue color is extracted from Afghanistan, which is Lakiz Lajawar.
Okay.
So stone is also coming from Afghanistan. The blue natural color
So
comes
these
from
are all
Afghanistan.
natural colors.
These
No
are all
chemical
natural.
dye.
Nothing is chemical. I'm going to show you some carpets in which the entire carpet is woven with natural sheep. So it's undye. But little bit dye is there, not that much. It's undye. Let's say this one. So here, nothing. The base color, it's all natural sheep, and then the rest carpet is little bit. You can say dye is there. See, this is natural sheep color. It's undye. It's all natural. But the design, everything, you can see it's dye. But still, wherever it's dye, you can see it's all natural. It's not something artificial. And then afterwards we have entire store. You can see this is the old Bukhara design. Very old. Let's say around 120 years old Bukhara. And then afterwards, starting, this is also a red color. But later and sooner one starts using with barefoot, the color gets into orange. Then we have again Maliki Kilam. And we have Chobi
Yeah,
collection.
they have a lot of carpets you can look from here.
So what I said in early my talks that we try to create an Afghan ambience for our customers so that they feel the Afghan ambience.
It looks like we came here. It looks like I came inside some Afghanistan, some village in Afghanistan.
So thank you so much for being here.
Yeah,
Afterwards, I'm going to show you our king carpets, which is Zahir Shahi, one of the famous carpet design in our country. And then that is also the weaver, your family or weaver used to weave it for our king people like king family. So after this, I'm going to show you that.
One of the famous carpet of Afghanistan. I think this is from one king of Afghanistan. Oh, this is amazing.
No video.
This is so old, maybe 80 years old.
So this is the carpet.
So what I was telling you about the carpet is this. So this design is called Zahir Shahi. This design name came from our king Zahir Shah. So that weaver who weaved this carpet died, 50 years back, and then he and his family. This entire carpet is woven by one single weaver. One single weaver. The wool which you are seeing now, you hardly find this kind of wool quality in Afghan carpets. Firstly, secondly, if you see the knots.
Mr. Khan, you made a mistake. You should have shown him for the backside first.
Yes,
You
for
did a very
sure.
big mistake. Because
See.
you should have seen. You should turn this carpet upside down completely and tell the difference whether it's a front or a back from while he is
Yes,
taking
that's what I
You
want
turn
to
completely
tell
the
people.
back side
See,
of this
the
carpet.
back carpet and front
It looks
carpet
like
is
same from back and front.
Yeah.
If you turn this carpet, just give me a hand, please, from there.
Yeah.
Inshallah, your father has a beautiful eyes to see the things which we cannot learn from him. See, if you go far away and take the video, if somebody describes you, this is a front of the carpet, then you will come to know I can sell you like this carpet as a front side. Trust me, from far away, if somebody can describe this is a back or front.
So what I was trying to tell you is that it's so crisp, so
tight. And
tightly
trust me,
painted.
Mr. Khan, it looks more better backside than in the front. Trust me. And it's a kilim on the backside.
Kill him on the backside.
Yeah, it's
That's
kilim
it.
on the backside.
Kill him on the backside.
Yeah.
Kilim on the backside.
And you can
sell
explain
this
about
kilim
how,
as a front back.
this carpet was made for who,
Tell
which
the
person,
customer.
and you can explain.
I
how.
know.
So this, what I said is that
Kilim and carpet. Have
the
you ever
entire
seen
this
in your
kind
life?
of carpet
Exactly.
from his family used to make for the king family,
Who
for
is that?
Darshan. So for his ancestors, for everyone. So particularly it's a trendy that how we buy this carpet. The agent who used to sell this carpet from the showroom which we were in Afghanistan, we bought it. So we went to him to buy this carpet thrice, and it took 3 years for us to procure this carpet. And he also sold it just due to the financial problem. Otherwise, this kind of carpet hardly people sell.
So this
And
carpet is like you do to keep in a museum.
to keep in a museum, because this shows our rich culture, Afghan rich culture, and how beautiful is weaving style in Afghanistan.
So beautiful.
Yes, and it's roughly it takes this kind of carpet roughly it takes 4 years to 3 years to make such kind of beautiful carpets. Other carpets which I've shown you, they are the 3x5 takes around 6 months, 3 months to 6 months. But this kind of carpets takes lot of years, lot of struggle, and this entire carpet is
Single
made
person.
by a single person.
Single person.
Single person.
So can you explain, how much time approximately took for this carpet?
I told you that 3 years for one single weaver. The best part, other thing which I'm going to show you about this carpet, I'll show you.
This carpet took about 3 years for making.
Oh.
3 years for
Yeah.
a single person.
Single person, yeah.
So these carpets are actually like investment, like you are buying house. It is same like you are buying a carpet, and every year the price
That's what the
increases
best-
every year.
The best part of Persian and Afghan carpets, the price doesn't decline, so it raises each and every. But the mandatory point is that regarding the pile, regarding that people need to not cut it, not burn it.
It remains same.
It remains same. If you are well collected, you need to maintain your carpet. The carpet rate goes.
And also,
It's kind of investment.
If somebody will buy carpet, it's like an investment. Like
Investment,
you are
yes.
buying house. So
For
after
sure.
5 years, 6 years, you are selling house, you are getting double money.
Double money.
So it is same like in carpet.
Carpet. So come, I'm gonna show you our viewers about this trend. Like it's very difficult. From here you see the pattern is broad, and from here you see it's narrow.
narrow.
It's very difficult nowadays to get this in carpet.
Oh.
And the best part is that from anywhere the blue portion, you just rub it little, it gets shiny.
Yeah.
So this
More
is
you rub,
more
it
you
will
rub
get
will
shine.
That's what we say to our customer. How you use
Yes.
it with barefoot the carpet gets richer in color. So it's all entirely
Yeah.
natural wool, natural
it's
dye.
getting more shiny.
So knotting, if you're saying about the knotting part, it's 30 by 30 knots per square inch.
30 by 30.
30 by 30. It's
And
900
wool.
square foot.
And it's wool. Very amazing.
It's wool.
Through by through Hachi. 30 by 30. It
So
looks
you
like
can see-
wood behind.
Yeah, it's like good.
It's like
Because
wood.
so tight weaving.
Yeah. Okay, this is shop amazing. Also,
entire
it's
shop,
beautiful.
you will find everything in my shop from Afghanistan, and then from small size to bigger size we have. You can see bigger size are there, smaller size we have, and then everything we have. It's just people. It's just anybody who wants Afghan carpet, Afghan kilim, they can contact us. Our brand name is HS Rugs, and I'm gonna share you my number also down the link. And then I hope you enjoyed
Also-
my carpet session.
Can you say our phone number?
Okay. So my contact
WhatsApp
detail is
number.
9654-807472. It's 9654-807472.
And also same WhatsApp.
Same WhatsApp number. And HS Rugs is my brand. And feel free to enjoy the ambience. It's not about buying a carpet.
And
Learn.
People
Yes.
can also follow you on Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
HS Rug is our Instagram tag also. So it's not about buying carpet. You can come enjoy my carpet session. We have green tea with us, and you can enjoy.
No,
kava
you can
and
have
kava.
also lunch here. You know, they are very good mehman nawaz. I like their hospitality. Their hospitality
Thank
is
you so
amazing,
much.
amazing. So I
Thank
have
you
never
so much.
find such a kind people
Thank
right
you
now.
so
From
much.
you know,
Thank you
I
so
love
much
now
for being
Afghanistan,
here.
and I will be very I
He is
want
just
to
kidding,
go
he is just kidding.
sometime to Afghanistan to meet his family, and
We
I want
just
to go
tried
there.
a bit of our that because Afghani people are known for their hospitality.
Yeah,
So we
Afghani
tried
are
a bit.
amazing
We
people.
tried a bit, but I hope my friend from Kashmir,
Inshallah,
he liked it.
I will definitely come to Afghanistan.
Inshallah,
Yeah, sometime. Yeah.
the great day. That if he will come, it will be Kashmir in Kabul.
Because I want to bring Kashmiri culture and Afghanistan culture together.
Yes, inshallah,
So, it is
together
my
by
motto.
one in a hand. If we work, inshallah, we can collaborate this culture together. And then soon you're gonna see many more from us, Kashmir and Kabul.
Yeah, Kashmir and Kabul. Srinagar and Kabul.
And you can also say the race has come from that side.
Yeah.
The Kashmiri race has come actually from Iran and Afghanistan. We are mixed of that, so we are in Kashmir.
So, yeah, we are
So
in Kashmir.
yeah,
So
exactly.
our
The roots are from
yeah,
there.
roots from Afghanistan.
Roots are from there.
This is so amazing. This is the own Afghanistan culture.
People for watching us, and I hope you enjoyed our carpet session. It was great to have Tufair Bhai and his cousin with us, and then inshallah looking forward to see you again and again, and definitely we'll visit Kashmir.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your hospitality.
I hope you
and
like
for
it.
everything.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your
Inshallah.
lunch. Thank you very
Mr.
much,
Khan,
friends.
come and invite
Please
me to my
subscribe my
house.
channel
You're
and
welcome.
like my videos. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.